I'm going to show you how to create an object mask in the Lightroom app. First, we have to open up the app. And here it opens up like this. Here we have an image. From here, we just go into the masking tool, which is this icon. Click on it. And here we click on create new mask. And then we click on object. And here we can click on add. And we should be able to select the objects that we want to edit. Anyways, that should be working. For right now it doesn't, but yeah, you just click on objects and then select the objects that you want to edit. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.